All right. A lot of people have asked me if this exhaust setup that I have on this car generate any drones when driving the car. For those that haven't seen the video, I have a video where I show the cold start of this car, and I'm gonna put in a card here. And as I said on the title of the video, this is a straight pipe exhaust, but I have a Valvetronic muffler in the end. That means that I can open and close the rear mufflers, allowing the exhaust to be completely straight from the engine out, and also having it quiet when I close the valves. So the idea is to show you somehow how much dB the exhaust generate when it's closed and when it's open in different driving situations. Right now I'm driving in a traffic jam, and I can kind of show what kind of a dB it's generating at the moment. So I'm gonna reset here, and I can show you down there the minimum, the average, and the maximum dB noise that the exhaust is generating. And here on the side you can see the speed. And at the moment, the valves on the mufflers in the end, they're closed, means that it's on a quiet mode. When I press open, it goes to the loud mode, which is a straight pipe from the engine back. And it's a straight pipe because I don't have any other muffler, any other resonator, or anything between the engine and the tips, the exhaust tips in the end. And also I don't have a catalyst converter. I have removed it. So right now you can probably hear that it's pretty quiet inside the car, and I'm driving, stopping and going due to the traffic jam ahead. And you can see how much dB it's generating, and I'm probably speaking louder than what the car is generating. So I'm gonna be quiet for a while you guys watch what's happening. The traffic around me is making more noise than my car. Remember, this is a straight pipe configuration. Straight pipe configuration, but at the moment the end mufflers are closed. Alright, this should be enough for the traffic jam situation with the muffler closed. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open the valves. So now the exhaust is completely open. You can hear it. And like I said on the comments of the video that went viral, I don't feel any drones inside the car. However, I can hear the exhaust, which is very comfortable. clearly see that the noise has increased. Let's do a comparison here. With the car stopped, I'm going to open and close the exhaust. Closed. And open. Let's do a reset and do it again. Let's open. Closed. Yeah, as you can see, the cars around me, they make more noise than my car. Right now the exhaust system is closed, and I'm gonna do some revs and you can see the difference. I'm gonna reset and let's see the maximum it's gonna get. Now I'm gonna open and reset. So you can see that it was 5 dBs louder when the exhaust is open. Means that it's very loud. I mean, it may not represent a lot of 5 dBs, but for those who understand a little bit of noise measuring, it's loud. I'm telling you, it's loud. But at the same time, it doesn't generate any drones inside on these normal driving situations in a traffic jam. The next video I'm gonna post, it's gonna be a highway drive, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and for those that were in doubt about the system, I wish that this video had clarified your doubts and you're now probably more confident on doing the setup as well. Thanks. Bye bye.